How to change gender on Snapchat My AI. If you want to switch up the gender and the look of your My AI chatbot, then in this video let me show you how it's done. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Open up your My AI chatbot first of all and tap on the Bitmoji on the top left. Once you're on its profile, you can see an option called Customize. If you tap on it, it's gonna show you two options. Either you can change the avatar or the outfit. Tap on the avatar option and choose your gender. The one above is a female and the one below is a male. And now you can customize everything as you normally do with your Bitmoji. You can change in the skin color, you can change in the hair color and the hairstyle. So you can take a look at all of the things that you can change with your AI chatbot. When you're done changing everything, just tap on save on the top right. So that's the way that you can change your gender on your My AI on Snapchat. If this video was helpful to you, do subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more informative videos related to My AI of Snapchat, make sure you subscribe to our channel as well. And that's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.